Hi, today my topic is how to connect a class explicitly with database table. So let me create a data class. So go to sysadmin and create a class. So I'm giving label as basic details. Now I will give class ICIC. I'm creating a data layer in organization only. So give me this one again, basic details. Now let me create once. Okay, now we will go for concrete class here and give version. So here we need to give does not belong to a class group and click on save. So we should mention description and usage. Let me give test and test. Let me see. So do a test connection. So if you see here, the class is been mapped to a data.pr other database table. So that's because all does not belong to a class group will be saved in pr other database table. So if you want to map explicitly this class to another database table, then we need to create a database table in db. So let me create a database table here. So I'm in data schema. So let me create a new table. So here I'm going to create a table with the same name. Let me mention the same name as basic details. And save it. After saving, do refresh here. So after refreshing, if you see, so basic details is been created. Now go to pega dev studio, open database table. It will be under sysadmin database table. Okay, if you see, pega automatically created a history class for the data class. So if you see, for this class a history class is already been created, and also associated for that one a database table is also being created. And also if you see, there is no table is been created for this class, but it's for history class a database table is been created. That's because every concrete class will have a history class that will be created by pega. Why we need a separate history db table? That's because if we put all history details in a common table, the history will grow big, right? Big in size. That's why pega creates a separate db table for history class. So we need to have a dedicated db table for this one, right? So I'm going to create a new database table for this class. So let me create one. So give it as basic details and give the class name here. Okay, here give pega data, give the table name which is been mentioned, which is been created here, which is basic details. So I am giving basic details now. Basic details. Now click on save and do a test connectivity. So it's been mentioned like this class has been mapped to data.basic details. Let me also check from this class as well. So do a refresh here and do a test connection. So now if you see, it's being mapped to basic details, which is being newly created. Before it was a pr other class. Thank you all.